Dear friends, welcome to Know Thyself YouTube channel. Good morning. Hope you're all staying safe and keeping well. I sincerely thank all of you who have subscribed to this channel and follow the channel. If you find the contents of the videos published in this channel useful, please subscribe to this channel and click the notification or the bell button so that you can be notified when a video is uploaded. Kindly share the videos with others or in the internet. In this episode of Know Your Body segment, we speak about the significant organs that perform digestive functions other than the ones we have already seen in previous videos, such as the liver, gallbladder, and the lungs, namely the stomach, spleen, small intestine, and colon, and their emotional connection. Stomach is the vital digestive organ located between esophagus and small intestine. It secretes digestive enzymes and gastric acids and using them chemically breaks down food. It is involved in the second phase of digestion following chewing that takes place in the mouth. Spleen is the purple colored large lymph node located in the left upper quadrant of the abdomen. It performs functions such as food digestion and nutrient absorption, blood filtering, helps in the formation of blood and energy, keeps blood in the blood vessels, removes old red blood cells, and plays an important role in the immune system. It also is connected with the muscles, mouth, and lips. Besides, it is involved with thinking, studying, and memory. Small intestine is a 22 feet long organ located between stomach and the colon. It aids digestion by receiving the bile and pancreatic juice. However, its primary function is absorption of nutrients and minerals from the food. Colon, also known as the large intestine, is a 5 feet long organ which is the last part of the gastrointestinal tract. It absorbs water and stores the remaining digestive wastes before being removed by defecation. Positive emotions felt in these organs are trust, openness, and vulnerability. These positive emotions can give a feeling of general wellness to these organs. Negative emotions felt in these organs are worry, anxiety, and insecurity. These negative emotions can weaken the digestive fire in these organs. When these emotions reside in these organs for long, imbalance occurs in these organs. Symptoms of imbalance in these organs: general tiredness, loss of appetite, mucus discharge, poor digestion, abdominal distension, loose stools, diarrhea, weak muscles, pale lips, bruising, excessive menstrual flow in women, and other bleeding disorders. Let us now consider the impact of negative emotions on these organs. Stomach is intimately connected with the abdominal chakra that governs the energy flow throughout the belly and the gut. Emotions such as anger, hate, rage, and frustration stuck in stomach leads to gastritis, ulcers, and other stomach conditions. Emotions such as stress, tension, pensiveness, worry, insecurity, and anxiety, if stored in stomach, can stagnate the flow of natural force in the stomach and cause distension, bloating, severe pain in the abdomen, gas, and stomachache. If these emotions are accumulated for a long time in the stomach, they can lead to anorexia or eating disorders, appetite disorders, giddiness, nausea, and dry heaves or feeling of vomiting. Spleen is adversely affected by emotions of pensiveness, anxiety, worry, and depression. As these emotions constrict the flow of natural force through the digestive system, producing severe pain in the abdomen, distension, and bloating throughout the abdominal area. As a matter of fact, these emotions affect not only the spleen but also all the three subdiaphragmatic digestive organs, namely the liver on the right, spleen on the left, and the stomach in the middle. Small intestine is affected by the psychosomatic or emotionally induced digestive disorders that arise in the upper digestive organs, the liver, gallbladder, stomach, and spleen. The upper small intestine, being close to the four upper digestive organs, is the most affected. In the middle and lower small intestines, these emotions can cause severe abdominal pains and obstruction to their smooth flow and function. Colon is vulnerable to excess and chronic worry, anxiety, insecurity, and the stress and tension they cause. Since colon is connected to the root chakra that relates to our emotional security, these emotional disturbances can cause disorders such as constipation, irritable bowel syndrome, and spastic colon. However, if the aggravations are severe, even the inflammation of the inner linings of the colon and more serious degenerative diseases may result. Hence, the need to keep these organs healthy. You must take good care of these vital organs. Firstly, physically, by eating a healthy diet that supports the good health of these organs. According to nutritionists, foods such as chamomile, peppermint, ginger, licorice, bananas, papayas, apples, fresh juices, figs, prunes, grapes, and dates support good health of these organs. Add some of these foods to your diet regularly. Besides, eating high fiber, low fat, lean meat, probiotic rich, vegetable and whole grain rich diet, eating each meal and snack on a regular schedule, keeping your body hydrated by having enough fluids and water, avoiding smoking, excessive caffeine and alcohol, exercising regularly, maintaining a healthy weight, fasting periodically, cleaning your bowels once a month, and managing stress by regularly engaging in stress reducing activities, you can maintain the good health of these digestive organs. Secondly, become conscious of how these organs feel. To achieve this goal, practice deep breathing. Breathe deeply and connect with these organs and ask them what they need from you. Become conscious if negative emotions we mentioned above are stuck in these organs. If you find them there, work through these emotions, giving them the space and time. For care given in dealing with these emotions over time will bring about their removal from these organs. Be aware of the reason for your worry and being anxious. Ask yourself if these situations are worth worrying about. Learn to take it easy. Be joyful, happy, and in a cheerful mood while you eat. Focus your mind on your meal and your eating, not on anything else. Enjoy your meal. Do not allow your mind to get caught up with unwanted emotions and thoughts while you eat, as these negative emotions and thoughts will affect the force of your natural digestive process. Likewise, take your time to eat. Do not hurry with your eating. Instead, take it easy when you eat. Cultivate positive emotions of trust, openness, and vulnerability, and allow them to take the place of worry, anxiety, and insecurity while working on the removal of the latter emotions stuck in these organs. The practice of these physical and spiritual measures and working on the removal of negative emotions and allowing the positive emotions to take their place would guarantee the physical and emotional health of these organs and your overall good health. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed until we see you again with another video.